City Classic Cars is a Restomod Factory. When you bring your car to City Classic Cars, you're leaving a piece of your family because we restore and Restomod all makes and models.
City Classic Cars is nostalgia. We make dreams a reality.
The hardest part in owning a classic car is number one, finding a mechanic who knows how to work on it. Number two is finding someone who knows where to procure the parts from. But we know where to get the parts from. If we can't get the part, you can't get it. And if you can't get it, we can make it.
We stand behind our work. Our name is on it.
And if you go to our Facebook page at City Classic Cars, you can see some of the work in progress. It does not make sense to go to more than one shop. We can put the canvas top on, we can put the interior on.
Restoration, metalwork, fabrication, paint and body, mechanic, upholstery, it's so broad. So we bring in a team of artisans that are specialized in their craft.
A lot of them have greater than 20 years experience.
There's always something new going on at the shop. Just visit cityclassiccars.tv.
When you bring your car to City Classic Cars, you're leaving a piece of your family. And we treat it as that. Because at City Classic Cars, we're here to produce your dream.
Now that you've heard about City Classic Cars, go to our Contact Us page to fill out the inquiry form and we'll get back with you the same day.